With the celebration of President's Day, many may think of the everyday transactions we conduct using a representation of these past figureheads, that being American currency. But one question that may not be thought of often enough is how our hard-earned dollars are protected if they're subject to theft or burglary. Here now to talk about issues surrounding money coverage is Bob LaFaro from the LaFaro Insurance Agency. Bob, good to see you again.
Thank you, Sean.
With all the modern day payment methods that don't require cash in hand, there's so many of them now, what percentage of consumers do you think need to be concerned about this?
Well, recent polls showed that 43% of Americans keep their savings in cash and 53 of those hide it in their home somewhere. So considering that might be more than you would expect. Also consider the fact that homeowners insurance only provides coverage for $200 for money, coins, as well as metals, smart cards, and gold.
All right, so obviously more people affected than we might think. So in other words, you know, people that own more than this, they need to give serious consideration to things like a deposit box, I would assume.
Most definitely. So people who want to have the cash readily available, it's important to know this coverage can't be typically adjusted to meet their individual needs.
Does the same hold true, you know, with collector items?
So great question, Sean. Many home policies do actually offer coin collection solutions to ensure things such as coins, paper money, tokens, and other numismatic property.
Would a homeowner run into the same issue, Bob, if they had, say, you know, a valuable stamp collection? You know, is this also a solution?
Yes, and again, good insight there. For anyone that would have rare stamp collections as well as other types of collectible items, such as baseball cards, comic books, dolls, figurines, etc., many carriers do offer coverage endorsements to have these items for an extra premium charge, of course.
Of course. Are these items considered either under homeowners?
Covered, yes, but for similar kind and quality, not for the collector value.
Okay.
So not very helpful. For example, if you're offered $20 to $30 for a replacement Mickey Mouse doll, when maybe you had an original produced by Disney that can go for around $3,500.
Okay, not a good trade.
No.
Is it safe to assume at this point, though, that there's no solution for money coverage while it's on their person?
So coverage for personal property under homeowners is not limited to the premises. It actually follows you wherever you go.
Okay.
However, you would obviously run into the same issue when it comes to money. But when you purchase a collection coverage, it wouldn't help to ask if there are any limitations when you're taking that property off premises.
All right. What if the money is stolen out of your vehicle? I assume that happens a lot.
It does. And keep in mind, auto policies may offer a little bit of coverage for certain personal items, but that will not include money. Any loose or stolen items out of your vehicle, the property owner is typically going back to your homeowners. And again, same issue with the currency.
Okay. Clock's running. Before we let you go, any final takeaways here, Bob?
So given the fact that coverage solutions are going to cost a premium dollars for the consumer and potentially compounded by a claim surcharge issue, a great alternative may be to install a safe home or a burglar alarm. This would also help protect intrinsically valued items that can't be really replaced by financial reimbursement.
All right. As always, good advice. Bob LaFaro from the LaFaro Insurance Agency. We'll talk soon. Thanks.
Thank you, Sean.